Hello students, welcome to my channel Excellent Educational Center by Priya Gulati. Students, today I am going to solve question number 5, exercise 4.4. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. The question says, is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square? If so, find its length and breadth. What is required to find? Length and breadth. So whatever is required to find उसी को हम let करेंगे. So I write let the length of the field equals to x and the breadth equals to y. Perimeter. What is the formula for perimeter? 2 into L plus B. So x plus y. So 2 into twice x plus y. Area is given by length into breadth. So I write x into y. ATQ. According to question, perimeter is given equals to 80. So what is perimeter? 2 into x plus y. So in place of perimeter, I write 2 into x plus y equals to 80. 2 is getting multiplied with bracket x plus y. So I can bring 2 on the right side. It will get divided. So x plus y equals to 80 upon 2. Cancel it. You get 40. So equation x plus y equals to 40. Now y will become 40 minus x. So I am bringing y in terms of x so that I label it as equation number 1. ATQ. According to question, area of the field is given as 400. What is area? X into y. So in place of area, I write x into y equals to 400. This is your equation number 2. Now with the help of these two equations, I will try to obtain a quadratic equation. So for that, what I will do, both the equations they are having two variables x, y. Here also x and y. I will obtain the equation in one variable. How can I obtain that? By substituting value of y from equation 1 in equation 2. So substitute y from equation 1 in equation 2. So this is your equation 2. X is x, y. You will substitute 40 minus x equals to 400. Open the bracket, distributive law, x into 40, 40x. X into minus x square equals to 400. Minus x square plus 40x, bring 400 on left side, minus 400. What remains on the right side? 0. X square is having a negative sign with it, so I change the sign of each and every term so that I get a positive sign with x square. So your equation becomes change the sign. Minus x square plus 40x minus 40x. This minus becomes plus. अब 0 के आगे आप चाहे प्लस लगाओ चाहे माइनस लगाओ, it will remain 0 itself. So this is your quadratic equation. X square minus 40x plus 400 equals to 0. From this quadratic equation, I will find out the discriminant. Discriminant का formula b square minus 4 into a into c. What is the value of a? Coefficient of x square. A is 1. What is the value of b? Coefficient of x? Minus 40. What is the value of c? 400. So pick up these values a, b, c and substitute in this discriminant b square minus 4ac. So what I will obtain? So b square minus 4ac. Substitute the values of a, b, c. So you will get b is minus 40. So minus 40 square minus 4 into 1 into 400. Minus 40 square minus 40 into minus 40 gives you 1600. Multiply, you get minus 1600. 1600 minus 1600, it gives you 0. So what are you getting? Discriminant d equals to 0. And whenever the discriminant is 0, according to the nature of roots, what do we say? The equation, the quadratic equation will have real and equal roots. Since the discriminant is 0 and the quadratic equation is having real and equal roots, so we'll say the situation given in the question is possible, right? Now second part of the question, it is asked to find the length and breadth. So see the working for length and breadth. I pick up the equation. This was the equation we have obtained. I can show you again. This was the equation x square minus 40x plus 400 equals to 0. Pick up this equation. So I write x square minus 40x plus 400 equals to 0. This equation I will solve it for x. So this is the quadratic equation. So write down the quadratic formula. X equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4 into a into c upon 2 into a. Now pick up the values of a, b, c from this quadratic equation. What is the value of a? Coefficient of x square. So a equals to 1. what is the value of b, coefficient of x along with its sign. So b equals to minus 40. C is the constant term without any variable in it, plus 400. So c equals to 400. Substitute these values of a, b, c in this quadratic formula. So you will get x equals to minus minus, this minus is for formula, b ka value is minus 40, so put it in bracket, plus minus root b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac ko there is no need to solve it again because I have already obtained the value. Look here, b square minus 4ac we have already calculated as 0. So I can directly write down b square minus 4ac equal to 0 over here, and root sign of this formula. Divide by 2 into a, 2 into 1. So 2 into 1. Next step, minus into minus becomes plus. Plus minus, root of 0 is 0. Divide by 2 into 1 gives you 2. Now consider plus and minus sign separately. So either x is, if I take positive sign, x equals to 40 plus 0 upon 2. Cancel it. 40 upon 2 gives you 20 meter. If I take negative sign, x equals to 40 minus 0 upon 2, which becomes 40 upon 2, cancel it, you will get 20 meter. So you have obtained the two answer, 20 meter, and first answer 20 meter, second also has 20 meter. So this is the value of x. Now I want to know the value of y also. From equation number 1, what was your equation 1? Equation 1 was y equals to 40 minus x. I have written this equation again. This was your equation number 1, y equals to 40 minus x. And just now we have obtained the value of x as 20. So I substitute x 20 in this. So y equals to 40 minus 20 gives you 20 meter. So what are your two answers? X equal to 20 meters and y equals to also as 20 meters. These are your final answers. Hope children you have understood this question. Bye bye.